Kia ora Aroha 9. Welcome to Term 2. I hope you're keeping safe within your bubble. I'm just going to show you a few ways that you can do your work at home. First, please check out our Learning at Home website. Click on the Rowandale website, go to Learning at Home and click on Home Learning Site. Here you will see Team Aroha. Click on Team Aroha and find Aroha 9. Click on Aroha 9 and then you will see our work for today. Okay, you need to make sure you just choose 2 activities, just 2. Okay, if you want to share your learning, go to share your learning and then find your name. Find your name and make sure that you click on your name. Click on your name and there you'll be able to share your work with us. Another way is on Class Dojo. Just take your photo, write a story, take a picture, take a video and just send it through. I will be commenting and I am so far enjoying all the posts. So thanks everyone. I'm loving it. There are also Zoom. We've got Zoom. So Zoom is where you will be able to see me and I'll be able to see you and you will be able to see your friends as well. I will also post a video clip of how to set up Zoom on our Class Dojo after this. So make sure parents please watch it. You don't need to download Zoom. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's just another way for us to communicate and for you to see us. We're going to have Zoom sessions on Tuesday and Thursday from 10:30 till 11:30. We also have our class program from home. It's going to look different, but don't worry, you'll be fine. Parents, if your child doesn't want to do any work, don't force them. They can enjoy our there's going to be a TV channel which I'll also post the timetable program for each day. They can watch that. It's fine. They could also play. So children, we've been doing learning through play. You can also do that and talk to your parents about what we've been doing in class. Don't forget your key competencies, what you're going to be using each day, and make sure you just enjoy yourself and keep yourselves safe during this time. Facebook. Check out our Rowandale School Facebook and keep in touch with what is happening at Rowandale School. Mr. Vaso has been doing an awesome job keeping you informed, so please let us know. If you are needing support with food, okay, please send me a private message on Class Dojo or tell me on the Share Learning question, which you will find on the Rowandale website. Please, we're here to help you. Don't feel like you're in this alone. So please, whānau, take care, keep yourself safe, keep warm, and I look forward to our Zoom sessions tomorrow and keeping in touch with you throughout the day. Have a great day, and I hope we will see each other at school very soon once this over. From my whānau to yours, take care. Ka kite anō.